Welcome back on Sunday Night Show. The topic we're going to discuss today now, man and wife, when it be say for 3 years when they don't marry, things not they go well for the man. Then try here, he not enter, then try here, he not enter. Wahala begin day for inside house. Even on top of the chop food itself, it is very hard. The woman where the man marry, come back from market one day, they come back from market one day, jam her before boyfriend, ex-boyfriend, where don't become senator. Now. And the man now look at the beginning at last say, man, your body still hot, or you still strong, go say, the woman can't give him gist. And he said, don't worry. Make you just come meet him for a hotel room. If you come meet him for a hotel room, say you go give her, just make you just stay with her for one night. Say he go give her money.
She said no first because she don't know the amount.
Yes, she said no because she never know the amount. Say no, she not go do that kind of thing. She's a married woman. She has 2 children. The man say calm down.
Never know the money.
I go give you money. They say no, I can't do that. Say okay, I go give you 20 million naira. The woman begin thinking. She begin thinking. Say what thing she go do? Then she need the money. Then need the money.
You know, say person say he say maybe say because the woman they go church every now and then. He say whether the woman say if it be say nah. Maybe God answer to her prayer in this storm. Person don't say, he said maybe if it be saying that your, you know, the answer to all the prayer.
Yeah, prayer.
What a God.
Now the question what they ask me say, as a woman,
yes,
you go collect the money, not tell your husband waiting you do take collect the money. Look for another thing, tell him, or you go tell your husband say, Wahala don't they say see wetin we go feed do we go give us money we take arrange ourselves.
Or make she just come.
Or make she just bone the man. Tell him ask na door talk to the hands and the fingers. Make the man go with the money. Make them see there for their problem.
If you be the man, you go agree. Make your wife go, you know.
So therefore, in nutshell, you go cheat on your husband or wife or husband for 20 million naira. So, begin call us. Our phone numbers there on top of your TV. Make we know what you get to talk.
Send us on our tweet message.
Bookie from
message.
Delta. Eh? From Delta, good evening.
Hello?
Hello, Bookie.
They do a catching when I try well.
What do we do now?
Una don't waste my recharge card finish now.
You not waste our own recharge card?
Una do well. Now una keep online they wait since.
You not waste our recharge card?
No worry, no worry.
Why you two like to quarrel?
I dey enjoy my program well.
Thank you, Bookie.
Okay.
Bookie, for this matter, what do you want to talk?
For that 20 million, have you reason and small on do?
You go do am?
Have you reason and small the money big go?
Wait, what do you go do? You go.
She said she go first think up now.
Bookie.
Yes, they hear you.
You go sleep with the man before you tell your husband, or you go tell your husband then sleep with the man.
I'm not going to tell her myself.
You go just collect the money.
I go down collect the money clean.
My sister, you are too much.
Bookie,
you know why I want thank you? You dey honest. Some people no go talk their mind as it be. So, Bookie, now God go bless you.
Bookie, God bless you.
So
Good night.
Finish. Now her own.
She said, good night, Bookie.
She said she go do one time.
Kasmia from Lagos. Good evening. Kashia.
Good evening. Good evening.
Kasmia, how you doing now?
I'm fine.
Are you with him, man? Junk fire.
Good evening, lady.
Oh, yeah, now, you didn't hear me?
I did fine, they do. I hear you.
Now, for this topic what they discuss, if now you be the husband of the woman, you go agree, make she sleep to the person for 20 million. Your TV there too loud.
Kasha, bye-bye, oh.
Kasha.
Bye-bye.
Kasha, bye-bye. Call Kasimia, call again. Bye-bye, Kasha.
No,
call us, babe, when you don't reduce your TV volume. I don't know, you go to watch yourself, they watch TV. You talk for phone, you go and hear yourself again.
Even Bible say don't be equally joke.
With your TV.
No.
That one equally you don't believe us now.
I don't know. You know, it just makes sense.
I beg, if they call us, reduce your TV volume.
Now we know they like to always talk this thing.
Reduce your TV volume so that we go fit talk to you well.
Piece.
And then on top Twitter,
she said,
no,
Zidi. Now you know, size Zidi. Whether na your name be that on top Twitter. You say there is no need for question. I accept with Bookie. She.
My brother talk say he go give her permission, but after the money don't land, he not go trust her anyway. Which feel lead to her divorce. You go give her permission, collect 20 million naira. That's wickedness now. After she don't, okay, now
After
she go
she don't-
and my brother, Sheyi, your brother, Sheyi, if not girl, because I get picture day here, now 2 girls, except say you be another Sheyi. Sheyi, tell your brother, say your brother is very, very wicked.
Not true.
Because the truth be say, if the woman want do am without telling you, she for do am.
I didn't know, you know for no.
And you for not know.
If I come up with another story.
If I tell you another thing.
Another thing, we say, if the man been the sick, for example, and he also want to collect that money, treat him. So when you well finish.
The woman fit tell yourself to say, somebody where I know, now borrow me money,
yes, so,
say we go pay him back. You for not know. Now he can't tell you. You give him permission, say go and wipe and bring money. Then after she don't come do am for owner. You can't collect the money, cause say you not go trust him again. You can't divorce him. You will not make heaven. Hello, good evening, Biko. Hello. Hello.
Oh yeah.
From Abuja.
You did it.
Yes. Hello.
You don't lose. I be you do monitoring spirit.
All right. All right.
Yeah, go back to this one.
Hello.
Hello, Nedu.
How is you?
I do.
Fine.
What is your name?
Bimbo from Abuja.
Oh, Bimbo.
you are
Long time.
Nedu, are you with me?
You now with you. Bimbo, where you go now? You go maternity leave?
Eh?
You go maternity leave? Not ya.
I don't go maternity
She
leave
laughs.
by day.
Another one they say she laughs.
So why you not come the call since now?
I dey call and I know they pick phone now.
Na devil work.
Sometimes I go ring, and I don't go pick. Sometimes I go do
don't
number
vex.
busy.
Not vex. Not devil walk.
Don't be
Kasim, how
annoying.
you dey?
I there. We don't miss you now. All of you yours abandon us. You, Elo,
I
even
dey
a
watch
babe.
you every day. Eh?
Okay, Bimbo, if now you be this woman, what you go do?
No, I no go do am.
You don't go collect the 20 million.
No, Kai, no.
Una they go through wahala for house to chop they very hard.
See, that thing a temptation, no. That kind of money no dey last.
Some people feel saying
And
an
that
answer
kind
prayer
thing
now.
Eh?
Some people
God
feel
no
say
dey
na answer prayer.
like that. They say blessing of God no dey add any comma inside. No go do that kind of thing.
Diamond fit there in the rough. You know, we just open eyes, see diamond now. You must open things and clean them.
No, I don't go fit do that kind of thing.
Okay.
All right, Bimbo, thank you very much, my dear.
Stephen Whiskey said 20 million is important. After it, she will go to her parents.
Why on a wicked like this now?
I don't know.
And then Aminu Uba Al Hassan say Katim only. Good evening. Before I give you answer, I want to say whether na senator you go use condom, go use CD. My but we don't know. I go do am and I go tell my husband. Cause if na my husband
See cash,
madam, he go do am and he not go.
And then he can't talk this one. He say he go do am. He not go tell you.
And then you are right, you are correct. And
Chris
then Chris Otto say if the woman wise, she go know say
That
man na agwego
Okay.
blood money. Now the senator want use her run to go renew sources of income. Anyway, from Asaba, good evening. Nicholas, I hope say your TV day down.
My TV day down, my guy. Come on.
I talk to us. If now if this woman husband, what do you go do?
Come, first of all, Nedu. I mean, I can do be your name. Hello?
Anyone will you call me?
Hello?
I will hear you.
You dey hear me?
Yes, sir.
Why you go collect the money go wife in the first place?
Not be me, they ask me.
I dey ask you, Nedu.
No, what is
Not be quarrel now.
If na you go collect am.
If no, now you
We
will
dey
ask
ask
now.
now.
Me, I come dey ask you now. If na you go
You
collect
know
am.
fit ask us. Now we dey ask
Now
you
your
now.
question, not be me ask you.
Okay, make I ask Ketin. Ketin, if na you go ask
No,
you
you
go
don't
collect
fit
am.
ask me that kind of question.
Now not be you call us.
Na me call you now. I dey ask you na the same question
Now
too
we
now.
dey ask you, my brother. I don't want
Okay,
you
we
go
not answer.
for me, Nedu.
Okay, we not
Don't
answer.
tell me make you comot out your card before. If na you go collect am.
We no answer.
Yeah, Nicholas.
Hello?
Nicholas!
Yes?
Nicholas! Get out of here! In Igbo! Save up! Hello from Switzerland, the better person, Biko. Ifeanyi.
Hello, Nedu, good evening.
Hello. You see the hello? Hello. Ifeanyi, hello.
Nedu, how are you?
I Devon, how is your ministry?
My brother, we dey push out small. Easy beat, how far?
Yes, boss. Good evening, bro.
Ifeanyi, what do you
Well
do for
done, my
Switzerland?
brother.
I better see you there, sir.
Kati, we don't know.
If I agree you,
Maybe you get chemist.
you get chemist for Switzerland. No, we don't know. You are selling drug.
Oh yeah, if now you, what you go do?
No, you know, say if now your wife, the thing go, you go vex you if you tell you she about it. As you say, problem day now, we money no day.
Yeah.
You go still manage yourself now. Maybe we not just the part move and small. But you go tell us go collect the money because we need them for now. Because if she go down outside, you not gonna know.
You not gonna know.
Come back freely. You understand? So, but if she can open up, say, see, as we they suffer now, I come meet my friend, see Wetin they talk. So, now I go collect this money. You go just close your eyes, say, go collect them now. No, nothing there.
If I thank you. Oh, I got
I
it.
tell you, not true.
I got it.
God
Thank
bless
you.
your ministry, whichever
Thank
ministry.
you. Whichever ministry.
God bless
If na
you, my
chemist,
brother.
God bless your chemist.
If na mechanic,
God bless you too, my brother.
Good night. Hello.
Bye-bye.
Good night. I've been a good morning for
I
Switzerland.
don't know anyone. You had a drug.
Good anything.
Hey,
And then on top Twitter,
see, you need to read
see
this.
they say, da. If I be the girl, no need to talk too much. The night go begin from that place.
He said, that place where we meet, and I must see the money.
And I must see the money for hey. The night go begin from that place where we, hey, nah, and then
troublesome.
my
Okay.
hello, John.
Some people jealous me.
Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me because of my beauty. I will not mind them. I will not mind them. I will not mind them because of my beauty.
You know, see, that's in the first person when they sing for the person.
And on top Twitter too, Pius Chido say if she come back house without that money, she go hear am. You know what me 20 million? They do I not say na the same reason you get. Na the same. My brother, you know my Uzin Timbugi is my Uzin Timbugi. You don't know my Uzin Timbugi. It's my number one. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
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 From Wari, how is you, my brother?
I'm fine, no, I'm with you.
Are you with me, Amechi?
I'm with you, Nedu. I'm with you.
As a Wari man, an Igbo man inside the Wari, what are you going to do if your wife bring this juice, can't give you?
I'm with you.
Hey, Honan.
Okay.
Amechi?
Yeah.
Fire.
If now you, what you go do?
That money, na temptation money, you know, collect them.
Now, which money?
The 20 million na temptation.
So,
You know, collect am.
you go rather they suffer than collect the money?
We go bear them. One day God go answer prayer.
Amechi, amen.
But if now you see cash, madam.
But if now you see cash, madam, uncle.
I don't go collect, Nedu.
If I ain't thank
It's
Amechi,
okay.
I don't any call you if I ain't.
Yeah, Mechi, tell me.
Amechi, thank you.
I do okay.
If I ain't from Enugu,
You no go no now. You go collect am.
one na.
Name. Good evening.
Iwe sike kwa anyeta.
Hello.
Hello.
I like that your outfit too.
Nna ke kwani fire me thank you.
That's me. That's your outfit. Yeah, I like it.
Nna when you come to Lagos I will give it to you. I will
Remove the cap. My friend, my man, Easy V.
Yes,
I
boss.
don't
Good
remember.
evening,
Wetin they
Baba.
do with these people
You
like
are the
cap
ladies.
now?
You are the ladies.
Wear your
choice,
cap
too.
back.
Every
Oh,
time
Baba,
I
good evening,
talk
boss.
to my now only women they
Wear
call
am,
you.
No, very call you.
I beg, that question,
Yes.
Edu.
Animal no go would hear you.
That question, a very big temptation. There is an amount of money where you go collect, where sickness no go fit cure am, that money. That 20 million no go fit collect that sickness.
Yes.
Sure.
I feel
Where you collect the 20 million from the senator.
Okay.
So
when he collect, nobody
really
do go
a
collect.
devilish temptation.
Okay.
Nobody should buy that kind of or bargain that kind of nonsense because there is a disease where if it catch where that 20 million no go fit cure
If it be blessing.
from that person, and
Okay.
it will ruin the whole family.
Wow,
So
okay.
better
Yes,
make they
Daddy.
even dey inside that their poverty
Yes,
level
Daddy.
they dey and they enjoy. No, but let's say suffering and smiling. Everybody in Nigeria here they suffer and they smile.
I like your answer, if I like your
So
answer.
even with that 20 million, if you don't collect that 20 million, the psychological aspect of it, you will not forgive yourself from that. And it can ruin that marriage.
Yes.
So the essential thing is just see it as a temptation from the devil and jump and
Jump and pass.
Yes, Daddy.
If I thank you, thank you very much.
I like too much.
And now we thank you. We like you too. Thank you. Joy, good evening from Abuja.
Hello, good evening, Nedu.
Yes, sister in the Lord, how is you?
I'm fine.
Are you with me?
I'm with you, Nedu.
If now you be this woman, you go do am or not? Abi you go tell your husband, or you go do am without telling your husband, or you not go do at all?
Nah, I got me at all.
You will not do at all.
At all.
Why?
Why I go do am?
No, now you are they ask why.
Is that?
And they ask you why you not go do am.
I not go fit. After my husband, my time, I can't allow another person again to enter the jalopy.
Hey! Oh, you're on a jalopy? Okay. That is it now, Range Rover Sport. Anyway, Joy.
Now you Sabi.
Sorry, now play, Joy.
No problem. Easy.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening, Anna.
Fine, oh, thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Yeah,
I'm
bye.
gonna Joy, bye, oh. And then,
Good to see that.
tweet messages plenty. Anyway, maybe we'll start from where we first start from. Up.
Okay.
Okay. Then official D. It's crazy of a woman to do such a thing for money. She won't take to for money. She won't take to heaven. That money will not last. Fact. Thank you, official D. Now you talk. And then Pastor Chido say if she come back, okay.
You don't read them.
And then she I not go to him because to dash 20 million for one night is not pure. That senator need few years in jail. Cause now Niger money be that. She any money. Okay, any money before we read your talk. From Kwara, good evening.
Good evening, you do.
My brother, how is you?
Fine. How yourself?
We dey fine. Idris, if now you, what you go do?
We don't tell them for this your dress, eh?
You say wetin?
This your dress, the not bid.
The main bid.
I said, it's not bid. What will you for your this your
For
dress?
my neck, Abi.
You not like him. They didn't know find a
For that one, number 2. This thing where this woman want do property which he want cost people, eh?
My brother.
Which property want cost? He go make my house before you marry.
Abi o.
And you marry before you marry. Look for man we say you get something for hard. What's that? Because this is where this man want do. Now God just say me who he say. He go make the who he say for working.
Okay.
Whatever condition what you get.
Okay.
Because he don't know what this man they plan.
Okay.
What's that? Whether na bad disease is but whether na bad sickness he get.
Abi.
We want give this guy, give this one because of property. May God more they pray to God. If you may person if be married they work hard. If you go married they work hard. She was not a pass player.
Idris,
if they go player, not a pass player.
Now be say if now you not go play, Abi.
No.
All right, thank you very much, Idris.
Yeah, I no go try.
Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you.
Take care.
And then, Oga, they do why if the hala is it beat you, they vex me, vex, I'll allow him for what? I mean, that's nonsense. That's petty.
No need, nah.
But there are no need, man. This guy.
It's even our guy. We know.
We know
I'm rich as.
We know I'm rich in compound.
So no need.
From Kaduna, good evening. You get kata?
Hello?
You get
Hello?
kata?
Yeah, I'm still on the line.
All
Who?
right.
Good evening, Nidru.
Yeah, good evening. No, you say na nidu. What they do? Sheila.
Hello? Yeah.
Oh yeah, Sheila, answer us. If not you, what do you go do?
Sheila, no be
It's
Sheila.
not me.
If not you.
I go do am.
You go do and collect the money?
I go collect the money. Shebi you say we no get food to chop, abi?
Yes.
I go do and
No fit
collect the
pay
money.
children school fees.
Yeah. Ngwanu Sheila, thank you. Oh.
Yes.
Thank you. Good night, dear. And then Tosin Adesina say, as me, I no go do amo. God bless him, short pass. I feel collect am on my way home back now. Moto go give you ticket to heaven. Okay. And then Obili say, I no go agree. Make them the manage. I no go do am. Adenka say, I no go do am. I go do am sharp. And I no go tell my husband. Because if my husband see madam, you know, okay, we don't see this. From Benin, good evening.
Hello, Nedu. How far?
My brother in the Lord, how is you? Ifeanyi?
I know that Ifeanyi. Na 3 Ifeanyi today.
Are you with you?
Nah, I am with you. Also,
International Ifeanyi.
I am with you, Ifeanyi. International and local Ifeanyi. Ifeanyi, if now you, what you go do? You go tell your wife make you do am or not?
No, me, I go speech on the man. Aye.
You not go agree with that.
Hello?
You not go agree with that.
I not go agree because no man go give person 50 million.
Now 20, you don't add 30 on top. Oh. You need money. Ifeanyi, you need money badly. You don't add 30 million on top. Hey, no, I'm not saying 50. I've got 20. You don't add 30 million on top.
I don't need them because I even money.
Ngwana, thank you. Oh, Ifeanyi, thank you. Good night. Eh? Thank you, my brother. God bless you. Thank you for your comment. Then shout out to Omejiak. Say, if not me, they do, I not fit. My pride as a woman, not go there standard. I will make that man know that money is not everything, despite the struggles. Thank you, Norma. And then, Nedu, what thing you get for English for Oyek? Where come on my name, you not fit to pronounce. Or pronounce. CCD. You say, you know some respect. I beg a tab off you. From Kaduna, good evening.
Good evening, how are you?
Biadun, we dey fine, oh. How you dey today?
I did fine,
I beg, my brother, if now you go agree make your wife do this thing.
My brother, I know fit.
What be a reason?
May God just help us.
Abi?
May God help us because this world, where this world they go now only God will just holler for.
My brother.
He just help us.
Okay.
Because that if a person follow that man now, as what some people have said,
yes,
say if he carry disease,
Abi,
if he even go there, he no go come back home again.
Bam.
So all those ones dey.
Okay.
So make we just beg God, make he give us the garri where we go chop every day.
Biadu, which area you dey say for Kaduna?
And they stay for Malali.
Malali, okay. Now I know Malali area. Me na Kakuri I grew up.
Okay. Now Malali, you know where.
Tangwana, Kaduna, I say Kaduna. Biadu, good night.
Okay, take care.
Thank you. And then something Manuel's talk say she go just follow Baba Olowo come out. I'm even yanako. If I is in the spirit, he will make heaven cut him. If not you, what thing you go do?
Now what for you?
I am Uncle Snippy say if she not collect the money, I go arrest him. That's witchcraft. I think I say everybody they say they not fit do am. Forgetting say if not the man, he not go think am twice before you go do am. From Austria, good evening.
Now this kind of thing, ask Pastor Yanyi.
Hello.
Joanna from Austria, how is you?
I'm fine. Good evening.
Good evening, sister. Now morning I've been at night, I've been afternoon for Austria.
We are just 1 hour apart.
Okay, just 1 hour apart. Okay.
Yeah.
If now you go do, I be you know you go do tell your husband, or you not go do or you go do clean mouth. Nobody go know.
No.
No, for waiting.
I won't, in the sense that now a lot of people don't they say maybe the man want to do voodoo, want to make what is voodoo, ritual. So say maybe the man have sickness. Now outside these 2 points, like maybe this person is a ritualist or the person have some sickness that nobody knows about.
Yes.
You know, let's look at it on a normal plain ground. If you go ahead and do such a thing, me I will call it greed.
Okay.
You know, because even if you're suffering, you want to die, you don't have money to eat. Nobody has ever died of hunger, as far as Nigeria that I know is concerned. You know, and the only thing we see some pictures from Sudan and children are dying of hunger, but in Nigeria, I haven't seen anybody who died of hunger.
I see.
Now, if you
hello, yeah. Hey, Joanna.
Your grade don't finish.
Austria.
Austria don't go.
Network job on top of the line.
Joanna.
Come back, Joanna.
Joanna.
Yeah.
She has go. And then Ozegbe say, my wife is saying a temptation. And then Ayo Mimola, go read now.
If to say, I no go allow my wife do such a thing, because we never know the kind thing that person gets. Maybe that kind deadly disease when he get for body already. Mohammed say, is yours a test, and in any exam in life, is either pass or fail. She just put God face in everything, and sure God will smile upon her face. If na me, say bello, I go sue the man. How he go they use 20 million now? When will they suffer?
Sufferness.
Say sufferness bad though. They do 20 million for yours one night, get as it be. But if to say now maybe the woman, I no go collect the money at all. We go continue to manage, say Mr. Defon. In this 21st century, money is not the only thing that make a woman go round and make the world go round. In good time or bad time, me no go agree, say Timothy. Romeo Dorati say, good evening, Nedu Katim easy bit. What if the man jalopy fit get disease? Second, if I don't talk within day my mind, I know fit lie to fear kwa say Adeleke. Ikechi say, my brother and sister in the Lord, I no want that kind money, oh God forbid, na blood money. If na my girlfriend, I go do all pleasure. Yeah, I want also.
So if na your wife, you not go do, but if na girlfriend, maybe not collect the money in the gun find way. Okay, now make it easy bit if na you go do. No. You go agree make your wife do am?
No, I'm not go agree.
What Katim, I know what you go do already.
Because first of all,
I know what Katim go do already.
First of all, I not go agree. First of all, because number one.
Hey! My Uzin Tumbugi!
I go follow her talk. After I don't agree, I go follow her and talk, make sure you understand. Because if you tell them so you not go agree, even your married self, you feel lose am.
You know what I'm saying? Always talk. I
you
say,
still lose am.
She feel exactly.
You understand?
If you don't say you not go do, and she knows say una need the money because women they are patient, they very slim.
So I go
she feel not say this man,
well.
after everything they are going through, you 20 million, you cannot agree. In fact, talk to the hand.
Funny enough, after you don't tell them say you not go do, then our temperature will go increase.
Yes.
Nepa will just cut on like your TV go blow.
You know, say when you don't, when people they talk, they quiet because you know, say you get level of not having.
Having.
You
when
get
you
level
say you
of
go
poverty. You go sit down, look your children, they don't fit go school.
Not be so
they go sit down every day.
But
you go get as things go be. Your children go there ask you every day, mommy, daddy, when we they go school, don't get him fear receive from where. Half them don't reach, half of the time. You know, say your head, not be only you again, they matter. So now waiting people.
When your begin tell you say, Mommy, Daddy, why you be saying they drink only gari? Mommy, Daddy, why you be saying go drink gari? When you be your begin don't they your begin wait fine, wait get body, don't they?
Body don't come out and finish. Come be like say you get
I rather go do waiting I never do before for my wife to go out and do the.
Hey. Anyway, double toilet to all of our way don't call. Those of our way send tweet messages. Make we see whether we can see some of the tweet messages.
The tweet message, thank you. Thank you people so much. So when I even get time, sit down, type una answer on top Twitter.
Thank you. All of them send tweet messages. Kadri, Abiola, Michaels, Chris Otto, David. Hey, them plenty.
Everybody.
All of una.
David, Emecheta, Anthony, Emecheta, everybody.
Say David, Emecheta, Anthony,
Emecheta. My brother.
And then double toilet all of now we call from Austria, from Kevana, from Switzerland, from other part of the world where they try call, where not connect from Delta, from Warri, Enugu, Abuja, Kaduna, Kwara, Benin.
We not go remove the cap again.
All
Tell
of
me, my sister.
I don't like I like on dressing.
Different shade of blue.
Anyway, double toilet to all the case, double toilet to all of us. Sharply, big bash. Jonah. No be Jonah today. Jonah no day. Now Usam. Now Usam. Usam double toilet to Usam, and then to
Usam the surgeon. In the clean things. You know,
they use wiper.
Yeah, they clean things. To make sure that everything is pure and fresh.
And then bash.
Yes.
It says bash. Bash could just go sit down for corner.
Very calm. Very calm. Bash no, he talk too much. Very calm. He just stay. Unlike Shapali, where he just be like
Shapali, go your chair go down. According to Kesolo, Kavana boy, Bash go lift chair where they. I beg, Bash they look for wife. Those of now where single girls, we don't they pray, say God, give me a husband.
Send in your application.
Please, I beg, Bash, we'll get minutes. If Bash will go fit come, so that I go see Bash.
We send in your application.
Send in your application
for ratification. Yes.
We don't get 3. Okay, Bash, they come. Make una see Bash.
Yes, Ingo give me manifesto.
Mona see Bash, so that I'm not going to say Bash serious.
Ingo give me manifesto.
He go tell us, man, what he want. What he want for girl.
And what if you do for the girl?
Hey, Bash, which kind of girl you want?
I want girl.
Make
I
it.
want girl. Wait tall. Wait tall.
Girl, wait tall.
Wait fair.
Wait fair.
Wait slim.
Wait slim.
Color TV.
Color TV.
Okay.
Wait get money.
Where get money?
Very, very important.
Wait fear God.
Where the dengue?
We get
Where the dengue? Where the dengue?
swag.
Where
Okay.
get hips?
My brother, you never want marry.
No.
You never want marry,
If
you
na him,
go.
him go green.
You never want marry.
Ask am if na him. Him go wife for 20.
If I see the person, make them follow me on social media. Balogun Bashiru for Instagram.
Yes. Balogun Bashiru.
For Instagram, at Balogun Bashiru.
Instagram.
If you like me, send me say you won't marry me at Balogun Bashiru.
Yes.
You never
That
can
is
say.
it.
Thank you.
That my
No, it's
sister.
it doesn't happen. Show them say you feel wine. Easy me play, make it dance. Just show them say you sabi.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.